Hello, welcome back. This video is for introduction of GCP Terraform. I'm going to discuss all those 16 topics in this GCP tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. You will get regular updates in GCP. Okay. In first one I'm going to discuss about I'm discussing in this video introduction of Terraform. Here, what is the use of Terraform? Previously what we are doing, we are writing a script in Linux or in Python script to create a VM. In older days I'm talking that. Okay, if you want to execute some script to create a VM or to create any networking related, we are using shell script or Python script. That scripts are maintaining is bit difficult. Okay, for that reason we have a infrastructure as a code in the form of Terraform. See, for example, you want to create a network, you have to wait for some time. Again you need to create a subnet, again you need to wait for some time, then create a firewall, wait for that step, then later on you have to create compute engine. Means these steps you have to do, but you have to wait one by one. That is the pain. Now what happens is Terraform, it is a infrastructure provisioning tool. It is very easy to write any resource like we can do in AWS and GCP, Azure. Terraform has been concentrating on these three cloud platforms. Okay, it is open source and it has been developed by HashiCorp, and with a single executable file you can install it. Okay, it is a agentless, no configurations, other related things. Within a single step you can do anything. For example, you want to create a instance in central zone, this much of steps it is required. In coming videos I will discuss step by step how to install, then how to work on that with using Visual Studio Code. Now Terraform is very intelligent, I can say that. For example, you want to create a VM, you want to create 3 VMs. For that, normally if you use any shell script, it will take 3 resources and it will cost for 3 times. But in Terraform you can create VM for 3 times, only 1 resource will be consumed and the cost also not 3 times, only 1 time. That is very benefited for that. Here how the providers are there. For example, Terraform, that is a independent, it will be working in Azure. You can use for Azure, you can use for Google, you can use for AWS. Okay, and the thing is, for example, if you want to write same, they'll be asking in interviews, they'll be asking like if I am not using Terraform in Google, which one you are using? It will be deployment manager. Deployment manager has been developed with YAML and JSON. If you know JSON, YAML you can do. Okay, same in AWS we'll call it as a cloud formation. In Azure we'll call it as a template, Azure templates, I can say that. Okay, you can download from here. This is the link. It will be, we have a lot of supported. If you use Mac, you will get separate software. If you use Linux, you will get separate software. If you use Windows, you will get separate software. We are going to see installation in Windows for GCP platform. Coming video, I will install how Terraform in Windows platform for GCP computing. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. You will get regular updates on GCP